Rabbit with sour cherries in the Flemish Way. A main dish from Belgium. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the rabbit into serving pieces and season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Heat the lard in a casserole and fry the onions until golden. Add the rabbit and brown it at all sides. Sprinkle the flour over the rabbit. Mix well and pour the beer over it. The meat should be covered. Step 3. Add the brown sugar and a pinch of nutmeg. Remove the stones from the cherries and add them to the rabbit 10 minutes for 1 hour before the end of the cooking time. Step 4. Season to taste and add the eau de vie. Serve with baked potatoes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.